Yes, good morning children. Welcome back to our science class now. Yeah, today we are going to start our new block, that is block 9. Yes, solids, liquids and gases. Gases. This is a block today, and in this block we are going to discuss about the matter. Yes. And today our aim is we will learn to describe the matter. Today's our aim is we will learn to describe the matter. And today's keywords are mass. Yes, mass is nothing but the amount of the matter. Okay, mass is nothing but the amount of the matter is called as a mass. Yes, in this block, in this LP, we are going to learn about the matter. Actually, we can find the matter on the earth in the three forms. Okay, that is in the solid form, liquid form and gaseous form. We can find the matter on the earth in the three forms: solids, liquids and gases. So, today we are going to learn about first matter. Matter is nothing but anything that has a mass. Okay, I am taking the example as a duster. Okay, this is a duster is a solid. Yes, how can we say that this duster is a solid? Because solid have a fixed shape. This duster have a fixed shape, right? When I am keeping this duster on the table, it will occupy some space, right? When I am keeping this duster on the space, it will occupy some space, and if I hold this into my hand, it has some weight. When I am holding this into my hand, it has some mass. Mass is nothing but just like a weight. Okay, when I'm holding this into my hand, it has some mass, and when I'm keeping this on the table, it has a occupying some space. It takes some space, right? So what is a matter is nothing but anything that has a mass. Anything that has a mass and takes up some space. And occupies some space is called as a matter. Yes, I think now did you understand about the matter? Yes, matter is nothing but that this duster has a weight, and when I am keeping this on the table, it occupies some space. So this is called as a matter. So by this we can say that solids are the matters and it occupies some space. Then what about the liquids? Can I take the example of a water? We already know that liquid. Water is a liquid, right? When I pour the water into the bottle, what will happen? Yes, it will take the shape of the container, right? It does not have a fixed shape, right? It does not have a fixed shape. But when I pour the water into the jar or glass, it will occupy the space. It will take the shape of the glass or jar. So we can see that liquids also are matters only. Liquids also matters. In the same way that we can see to the gases. Gases is nothing but the air, right? We cannot see the air with our eyes, but we can feel the air, right? But we can feel the air. For example, you can see that you can take one inflated balloon, okay? You can take one deflated balloon. When we blow air into the balloon, what will happen? It will expand. It will become bigger in the size, right? By that we can say that air will also occupy some space. Air will also occupy some space. So by that we can say that all the matters that like solids, liquids and gases are the matters because they all are occupy some space and they have some mass also, right? Yes. Now you can tell me, I'm taking one example of an orange, okay, orange and orange juice. Now you can tell me what is the difference between the orange and orange juice? Yes, both are the product of the orange only, but what is the main difference between the orange and orange juice? For example, you can see that now orange is in the solid form because orange is in the fixed shape, right? It is a round shape, it is a fixed shape, it is a solid. But you can see that orange juice is in the liquid form. It is just like a water. When I pour the orange juice into the glass, it will take the shape of the glass. When I pour the orange juice into the jar, it will take the shape of the jar, right? So by that we can say that all the matters on the earth, like a solids, liquids and gases, have a perfect have a mass, and they have something, they can occupy some space. Okay.
Yes, children, now you can open the content book. Lesson 1, Matter. All things around us take up some space. They have some amount of matter in them, which is called mass. The jar is filled with water. Water is liquid. Inside the jar, water is, that is liquid form. A shadow is not a matter as it does not have mass. We cannot weigh a shadow on a weighing balance. But the car is solid, but its shape is not a matter. There are three forms or states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. The ball is filled with the gas. You can find the words to learn: mass, the amount of matter. Yes, children, now you can open the workbook. 9.1, Matter. See the question number 1. Tick the ones that are matter: banana, juice, happiness, water. You have to tick that which is called as a matter. Now you can see that complete the table. Here you can find the 4 objects: brick, ice, juice, shadow. In the first column you have to write it has a mass, yes or no. In the second column you have to write it takes up space. The third column you have to write we call it as a matter or not. Now you can see the third question. Write how the space occupied by orange juice is different from that of an orange. Once again, see the question. Write how the space occupied by the orange juice is different from that of an orange. Children, here you can find the content book PQs practice questions. See the first question. Circle the ones that are matter: whale, shadow, happiness, bed, toy car, water. From these you have to circle that which one called as a matter. Now we can see the second question. Is a school bag matter? Give 2 reasons for your answer. See the third one. How is a metal spoon different from water? What is the difference between the metal spoon and water? Yes, children, read the content book once again and complete the workbook and write the PQs in your EVS notebook. Thank you.